Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled quail eggs step by step. Prepare quail eggs by boiling them for 4 minutes, cooling, peeling carefully, and placing in a sterilized jar. Make a brine with vinegar, water, kosher salt, sugar, peppercorns, and garlic. Pour hot brine over eggs, seal jar, and refrigerate for at least 48 hours before tasting for best flavor. Adjust spice levels to your taste and label the jar with the date. Gather vinegar, water, kosher salt, sugar, quail eggs, and spices like peppercorns and bay leaf. Use a saucepan, jars, and a slotted spoon. Measure brine carefully and taste a small warm spoonful before pouring. Sterilize jars and keep lids ready. I'll walk you through quantities and substitutions so you can adjust acidity, sweetness, and spice level to match your preference and storage plans for quick pickles or longer curing time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more pickling guides. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. I've got a link in the description and other deals listed for convenience. It pairs humorously with snack prep or road trips with pickled treats. Thanks for watching this short break. Now let's get back to the video. Start by boiling quail eggs for 4 minutes, then cool them rapidly in ice water to stop cooking. Peel gently to keep shells intact and set eggs aside. Simmer vinegar, water, salt, and sugar with spices for 3 to 5 minutes to infuse flavors. Pack eggs into jars snugly. Pour hot brine to cover, leaving a little headspace, and seal while still warm to help preserve the pickles properly for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.